Yo, check this out, man. This is like a freshwater pond. Like I said, it's the first non-tidal pond I've seen in my area. I've seen like little baby bass up in this bitch and shit. I can't tell y'all where it's at. There's beds, like fish beds down here. There's one there, a couple there, several over there. I don't know what the hell that is. I tried catching it yesterday. Thought it was a snake. Yeah, I swear there's some big motherfuckers in this bitch. I'm gonna put my kayak out here. Check it out. But anyways, pick up your litter, man. Pick up your trash. We got some ground hornets out. So, anyways, I've been busy working on the SUV. Yep. So, here's my SUV. We're gonna do a quick walk around on it. I got plastic coat on the front. Scrumpy McGrumpy. All that Legos are getting changed. These are getting changed. Still got the same fucking wheels. Blacked out windows. Carbon fiber down the edge. Up the panels. These are gonna get carbon fiber later on today. Same old fucking wheels. Carbon fiber inlay. Follow along. Y'all in Delaware, you need your windows tinted, get a Chris tinting. It's on 13, they got one in Wilmington. Awesome fucking job, man. Awesome job. Scrumpy McGrumpy. I'll put my YouTube logo here. I got my carbon fiber inlay all the way the hell down. Look at that shit. And to add to it, let's scroll back here to the pond. I don't want y'all to see yet. Check out my friendly bees. Yo, man, pick your shit up. This shit's like no good. I'm gonna take and throw it in the trash. Motherfuckers get snagged up and all that shit. I'm gonna walk right over to that trash can over there. Anyways, bam. Got me some smoked motherfucking taillights. What y'all think of that shit? Got some carbon fiber on the outside edge of it. What y'all think of that shit? I got one more piece of resistance to put on this bitch. So, what y'all think? Some comments, man. Y'all gonna see some more of this bullshit. Look, I'm all tangled up. That's why you don't fucking leave this bullshit lay around. Y'all leave some comments, man. Follow, subscribe, share this shit. So, I'm out. Get ready, because the rap is going on the motherfucking red. Down was the red. That's all I gotta say. Out was the motherfucking red. So, I'll see y'all. Y'all have a good day. Subscribe. Like. Share this bitch. Make some comments on this mother. Wait till this rap goes on. I'm out.